there's some damage to the guidance system inside the brain. See, every species has a guidance system that tells it how to go about getting its needs met. For example, a sunflower has a program inside it that tells it it's got to orientate towards the sun. It has a program that tells it how to capture sunlight and turn it into energy. So there are all these programs inside every species telling it how to get its needs met. And we're no different. We're a living species like any other. And we have these instincts, this guidance system, but it can become damaged. Like the most obvious way it could get damaged is some form of trauma. It could be physical trauma to the brain, like a stroke or dementia, or very often it's psychological trauma that's interfering with the way the guidance system is working and putting the person into a constant state of stress. So if you're constantly stressed out, nightmares and panic reactions, of course you can't be mentally healthy. Of course you can't get your needs met. So we would need the best evidence-based scientific approaches to removing trauma. And we have those, and they are enormously effective. So there could be trauma there, but more than trauma, people could also have their guidance system may be ineffective because, shall we say, neurodiversity. Some people have extraordinary skills in some areas, but they're less skilled in other areas. So, for example, people say on the autistic spectrum can be extraordinarily gifted. And we couldn't have civilization without the gifts of autism, and that is my firm belief. But at the same time, it's very often accompanied with a lack of intuitive skills around relationships and communication. So to help them get their needs met, they may benefit if they're depressed and they're mentally ill from teaching them some of these skills, but because the guidance system isn't working as effectively as it might for them.